Hi, Dirty Poke here. Poke. Um, this is my first video that I'm going to reveal myself, and hmm, I just want to make videos like PewDiePie because he inspired me. I think he inspired me to make videos like he does, or like he does, right? Uh, Making videos, gameplays, or anything. Uh, I hope uh you watch one of my videos, a boxing game or a powerful stickman. Uh, I think it's hard to make subscribers or viewers on your channel because there's too many videos on YouTube, right? But I'll try my best, and uh, I will not give up making videos for you or for me to be friends like that. But you know, I only uh my gameplays are not that good because uh I'm getting games on Y8 because my CPU is not that good, and it's all like almost 9 years, and mm, my CPU don't work that good, and it's not a gaming CPU, and I like to ask my father to buy me one gaming CPU for me to make a good gameplay like PewDiePie, and I hope that I could uh, that he could buy me one. I will be very happy if my father buy me one gaming CPU and face cam or a microphone. Uh, I hope you watch this video. Just just subscribe and like. Thank you. Kerepok here.